In the previous video, I was discussing about iodoform reactions. Now see, iodoform reaction is given like this type of compound where CH3CHOH is there. Secondary alcohol it is, where there is a CH3CHOH2. Or already this one CHOHH, ethanol. This also answers this iodoform reaction. Why they answer? Take this iodine, they react with the water and use HI with nascent oxygen. I think it is 2HI. Now CO CH3COH2. This takes up this oxygen and convert it into CH3CHO. CH3CO group is that. Answer the test. CH3COHHCH3. That also takes up the oxygen, convert it into CH3COCH3. This also answers the test. Iodine in presence of water act as an oxidizing agent by giving nascent oxygen. This further reacts and gives the iodoform etc. This is how the reaction takes. Take this example. Like this, cyclohexanone is treated with sodium hydroxide dilute and heated. What the product? CO. This carbon is the alpha carbon. This also a alpha carbon. Why? This carbon contains the functional group containing group. This carbon also contains the CO group. So aldol condensation is shown. Because alpha hydrogen is present. See, like this shift takes place. So what I get? I am going to get the compound as OH. See, this will go into this carbon. The name is 1-hydroxy. 1-hydroxy and add carbon number 1 and 1 dash by cyclohexane and 2-ONE. Add carbon number 2, there is a ONE group. Preparation of aldehyde or ketone from calcium salt of carboxylic acid. So remember here, when the calcium formate is dry distilled, we get formaldehyde. Note of this properly. Calcium formate dry distilled alone. What is calcium formate? Formate ion is HCOO minus ion. Calcium is 2 plus ion. So formula is CaHCOO 2 times. This you have to go for dry distillation alone. I get HCHO along with calcium carbonate. How exactly? Just here HCOO CaOCOH. This is calcium formate. So go for the dry distillation. What I am going to get is the removal. So I am going to get HCHO formaldehyde. Then calcium CaCO3 calcium carbonate. When other than calcium formate salts of carboxylic acid is distilled with calcium formate. Other aldehyde will be obtained. Other than formaldehyde will be obtained. Note of this. How exactly? RCOCAOC It's a calcium salt of other carboxylic acid. Treat with calcium formate CaOCOOCOOH. What happens there? Like this. CaCO3. This is one CaCO3. This one again, another CaCO3. Two molecules of calcium carbonate is removed along with RCOOH. 2 moles of RCHO will be obtained. Formaldehyde and other salt of the calcium salt of the carboxylic acid should be taken. Calcium salt of the formic acid and calcium salt of the other carboxylic acid should be taken and should be subjected for dry distillation. I am going to get 3. See, third one, when calcium salts of carboxylic acid other than calcium formates dry distilled alone I am going to get ketone. Don't use the mixture and don't use the calcium formate. RCOOCAOCOR. You go for dry distillation. See what about that? Yes, here. Calcium carbonate is removed. CaCO3 removed, and I am going to get RCOR. RC_OR. Ketone is obtained. Note this. I can get the acetone also if I use calcium acetate. So they may not give the question like this. Name the product obtained when calcium acetate is dry distilled as alone. Calcium formate dry distilled alone. Calcium formate and calcium acetate are dry distilled. For example now, example 1. HCOOCaOC_OH calcium formate dry distilled. As I said earlier, a calcium carbonate is removed, CaCO3 removed, I get formaldehyde HCHO. Now CH3COOCaOCOCH3 treat with CaOCOHOCOH. This is calcium formate. This is calcium acetate. This is calcium formate dry distilled. So what I am going to get? Just see here. What I am going to get now? Just see here. CH3CHO. 2 molecules of formaldehyde is obtained along with 2 molecules of calcium carbonate. This here CH3CHO, 2 moles of acetaldehyde and 2 moles of calcium carbonate. Third example, CH3COOCaOCOCH3. This is calcium acetate or calcium ethanate dry distilled alone. What about that? Just here. CH3 CO CH3 acetone is obtained along with calcium carbonate. Note this. Now see here, this compound calcium hexane dry distilled. What is the product? See here, a calcium carbonate is removed. So what remains? CH2, CH2, C double bond O, then CH2, CH2. So what is this now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. Cyclopentane ONE, which I can write like this also. Now see this. This compound dry distilled. What is this? Calcium hexa diOATE. What is the products? See here, calcium carbonate is removed. I am going to get this compound cyclopentanone. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. So from here to here the bonding takes place. Now, if I see the compound like this, calcium hepta diOH, dry distilled. What is the product? This is format. What you do? You have to have one more carbon here, one more CH2 group should be there. Means I am going to get cyclohexanone. Next one is Baeyer-Williger oxidation, which is oxidation with peracids. See, in this reaction, what is happening? A ketone is treated with a peracid. I am going to get ester along with carboxylic acid. This is Baeyer-Williger oxidation. See, this is converted into an ester and carboxylic acids over there. CH3 CO CH3 plus C2H5 COOH. Come on, tell me the products. It's a homework. Again, this is not there for annual exam, only for the competitive exams. Next one is oxidation by selenium oxide SiO2 CH3 CHO on oxidation with selenium oxide gives CHO. Monoaldehyde is converted to dialdehyde over there. And this is called as ethane 1,2 dial or ethylene glycol. What will be the side product? Water molecule will be the side product. Where is this now? Cyclohexanone treated with SiO2, selenium oxide. I am going to get diketone